Hey, Phil here. We're at Jersey City, Hyatt House.
Smile, 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 smile.
The view is good, right?
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Phil Meets World, and we're here staying at the Hyatt House in Jersey City. We have here a beautiful kitchen filled with a nice microwave.
This is what I need for my house.
That's a big one. I like that one.
Stove, coffee maker, and some utensils and cups. We have here a measuring cup and glasses if you want to, cook. A little fridge down here with 2 free complimentary waters. And now let's head towards the bedroom. As you see, we have 2 queen beds. So this is my bed, obviously, because I just touched it. And now here we enter the bathroom. And we have closets here where you can hang your clothing. Oh, it's kind of messy right there, so you don't want to look at that. You have a nice tall body mirror. And and welcome to the bathroom. We have a nice big mirror here, the sink, walk-in shower, pretty spacious. 3 soaps and shampoos, conditioner. And now we're entering the living room. L couch, the pull-out bed, big screen TV. This place is big! Peace out.